Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Vidyaniketan Kudige. Myself, Mrs. Vanitha, handling science subject for 5th standard. Let us start a new chapter, chapter number 6, Air. Children, here is a small introduction what you need to learn in this chapter. Existence of air, characteristics of air, uses of air and air pollution, causes and remedies. Air is one of the natural resources. The earth is surrounded by layers of air is called atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by layers of air is called atmosphere. Air is very essential for sustaining the life of animals and plants. Air is everywhere, but it is not visible. Means we cannot see. Let's understand this with a small experiment. Take a small pieces of paper in your hands. Place your hands in front of a moving fan. What happened to the pieces of paper? The pieces of paper in your hands are blown away due to moving air. This experiment shows that air's presence can be felt. Moving air is called as wind. Now let's see the components of air. Air is a mixture of many gases. The three main gases present in air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The nitrogen forms 78%, oxygen forms 21% and carbon dioxide forms 0.0% of the air. Besides these three gases, air also contains water vapor, dust particles and some other gases known as noble gases, that is 0.96%. Now children, let us answer a few questions. Which gas is the major component of air? Nitrogen, 78%. What percentage of gas required for our respiration is present in the air? Oxygen, 21%. What is the normal percentage of carbon dioxide in air? Yes, think children. The answer is 0.04%. Which is the least component present in air? Answer is carbon dioxide. Now let's move to the next topic, characteristics of air. Air occupies space. Children, take a balloon, blow air into it. The balloon becomes bigger and bigger when it is filled with air. This shows that air occupies space. We can fill air in a swimming tube, football, bicycle tube, etc. The next characteristic of air is air has weight. Children, take two empty balloons. Fill air into one of the balloons. Now weigh both the balloons. You will find that the balloon which is filled with air is heavier than the empty balloon. So we can see that air has weight. The third characteristic of air is air helps things to burn. Let us see one small experiment. Take two candles, fix them on the table and light the candles. Now cover one of the candle with the glass tumbler. What happens? After some time you will see that the candle covered by the tumbler goes off. Why children? That candle covered with the tumbler could not get air to burn. So a thing keeps burning only when it gets air. Children, in this class you have learned about what is atmosphere, components of air and the characteristics of air. I hope you all have understood this class. Thank you children.